What is the nature of economic planning in India? Answer D. All these. What are the objectives of India planning? Answer D. All these. Who presents the final draft of the 5-year plan? Answer B. National Development Council. On which date did economic planning start in India? Answer A. 1st April 1951. Who prepared the draft of the People's Plan? Answer D. M.N. View. The strategy for the development and industrialization for industries was a part of which plan? Answer A. Second. During which 5-year plan 3 iron steel plants were set up in the country? Answer B. Second. Which 5-year plan shifted its priority for development to defense? Answer D. Fourth. What is the difference between fiscal deficit and budgetary deficit? Answer A. Public debt. Non-planned expenditure of the central government is not a part of. Answer B. Allocation for science and technology development. When was the report of National Planning Committee published? Answer C. 1949. When was the National Planning Committee established? Answer A. 1938. The person to be appointed as the chairman of the National Planning Committee was? Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. On which part the maximum outlay of made in the second 5-year plan? Answer B. Transport and communication. During which 5-year plan period was the Sahayata Club established in India? Answer A. Second. The mode VAT is related to? Answer A. By trade tax. Does India get maximum tax income from? Answer D. Corporation tax. The largest item of expenditure in the budget of the federal government is recent year has been? Answer D. Payment of interest. When was the separate department, Planning and Development Department, opened by the Government of India? Answer A. 1944. Economic planning is a subject? Answer C. Concurrent list. The minimum support price for agriculture produce is announced? Answer D. Agriculture Cost and Price Commission. The largest producer of cell phones in the world is the country? Answer A. China. The largest item of expenditure in the current account of the budget of the central government is? Answer C. Central planning. From which of the following direct tax the government receives maximum revenue? Answer D. Corporation tax. Which deficit is the largest contributor to the total deficit of the budget of the Government of India? Answer A. Fiscal deficit. What is the difference between total expenditure and total receipt in the budget figures of the Government of India called? Answer C. Budgetary deficit. Prepared the first estimate of national income for the country? Answer D. Dadabhai Naoroji. Which one of the following industries employs maximum labor force in India? Answer B. Textile industry. The head of the Reserve Bank of India is called? Answer C. Governor. The major route of export and imports is? Answer D. Ports. India is largest exporter of? Answer B. Textile. Expand the abbreviation of SEZ. Answer B. Special Economic Zone. The person responsible for milk revolution in India is? Answer A. Dr. Kurian. India's place in the field of milk production in the world? Answer A. First. Rainbow revolution is related to? Answer D. All of these. The state is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. The largest producer of wheat in India is the state? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. Which country has the highest number of people using mobile phones? Answer B. America. The state which stands first in per capita income is? Answer B. Maharashtra. India's first ever National Police Museum will establish in which city? Answer D. Delhi. The Indian economy can be appropriately described as a? Answer B. Mixed economy. The total number of years covered in any 5-year plan since the beginning of the plan in India is? Answer C. 6. Where is the Agriculture Cost and Price Commission located? Answer A. New Delhi. When was the concept of planning adopted in India? Answer B. 1950. Whose responsibility is to prepare the 5-year plan? Answer D. Planning Commission.